Okay, so here is how I made these two large axes. So we are starting with the billet, some bearing steel, punching the hole, having a check, smashing the drift through. Here we go, forging the blade, a little bit at a time, bit of work on the anvil, got to keep it where we want it, a little bit more. Final clean up, heat brushing, quenching the axe, grinding on the bevels. We went all the way up to 400 grit. Polishing, doing this a few times to get super nice nail polish. Here we go with the handle, cutting it out on the bandsaw, fitting up the head with the draw knife. A little bit more work, super nice. Shaping, just carving away. Handwork with the rasps, it's a lovely Oreo rasp. Final little clean up. And there we have them. Full video is linked below.